Hello everyone, welcome to QuintEdge. This is CAFRM Yerjan, and in this video I am going to discuss everything that you need to know about investment banking jobs in India. It is a full comprehensive guide, so you cannot miss anything. Okay, so firstly let us get started. Let me give you the structure of this video. So my recommendation is do not skip the part, but if in case you want to, feel free to do it. Firstly, we'll be discussing what are the types of investment banks so that you understand broader structure of this industry. Then we are going to discuss the types of roles that you can target. Then we are going to discuss the major cities that offer this role. Then we are going to discuss what could be the expected entry level salary. Then we are going to discuss what qualifications you should have. And in the end, I'll be giving you few tips for getting started. So this is going to be the structure of entire video. Let's get started. Okay, so firstly, let us discuss types of investment bank. I have classified investment banks into four types. Firstly, bulge bracket investment banks, the giants, the big guns of the industry. So there are global giants like JP Morgan, Barclays, Nomura, HSBC. So many companies are there. Then we have Indian giants like we have ICICI Securities, SBI Capital, Lexis Capital, Edelweiss Financial Services, Motilal Oswal. So many of them are there, right? These are the giants. These are the big guns. Generally, if in case you have exceptionally high educational qualification, you can directly start over here. We'll discuss this in detail in some time. Then we have middle market banks. So they are not as large as bulge bracket investment banks, but they are doing really good in India. So like we have Avendus Capital, Spark Capital, MAPE Advisory, Embed Group, Unitas Capital. They have done a lot of deals. Every year they end up closing at least 5-10 M&A deals, 5-10 PE deals. So they're doing exceptionally well in India. Then we have KPOs. So what is a KPO? They will be handling the work of these giants at the back end. KPO. So we have the popular one, Equity Knowledge Partners and EvalueServe. And so many other KPOs are also there. But these two are popular that all of you might have heard about. Then we have boutique investment bank. So many of them are there. Many of them I know in Gurgaon NCR region. Many of them are there in Bangalore. Many of them are there in Ahmedabad. So many cities. A regional boutique bank, small boutique bank will be there. Basically a boutique investment bank is, they are doing only one kind of investment banking activity. Maybe they are providing M&A advisory, they are helping to raise funds by startup, or they are dealing with debt syndication. Just one type of service they will be providing. On the contrary, bulge bracket will provide you with every service that you need. Middle market banks, they are going to provide some kind of service they specialize in, but their geographical concentration is in our case across India. The global giants operates globally. Then we have KPOs, they are acting as a support to bulge bracket investment banks. Okay, now let us move ahead and let's discuss IB roles. Broadly, I can divide the entire IB industry into two parts: front end and back end, front office and back office. Front office is where you are going to client space, interacting with the client, you are coming up with suggestions, basically meeting with client is there frequently. Okay, this is client facing role. Then we have the other one, support to these people. So like only 5% of the industry works over here. So MBAs from ABC or top MBA colleges or someone with lot of experience will be working in front end office. Okay, you need very good communication skills along with technical skills. Here the communication part is important but not that important. Support office will be providing support to the front office, and 95% of the people in India work in this. Okay, so initially, if you want to get started, you should be starting with this, and over the period of time, you can move here. Now, let us move ahead and let us discuss the locations where you will get most of the investment banking jobs. Okay, so this is based on my experience. So we also provide placement services. We also provide financial modeling and valuation course. Most of our candidates get placed here. So Delhi NCR region, lot of boutique investment banks, middle market banks, even some offices of front end investment banks are there. Most of the front end offices are based in Mumbai. Most of the KPOs etc. is based in Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR region. Ahmedabad, Delhi NCR, Hyderabad and Bangalore. They have mixture of boutique investment banks, KPOs. So it is spread across India, but these 6 cities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Delhi NCR, I'm just considering as a one city, one region, right? These 6 areas you can target. So if in case, let's say someone says, sir, we are based in Kolkata, can I get a job there? Yes, you can. But opportunities, majority of the opportunities are over here. If someone based in Chennai, can you get job there? So speaking to one of the candidate that completed investment banking course, he got selected into portfolio management services today only. Today morning he messaged me. He got it in Chennai, right? He is managing some fund that is of 700 crore something. But he is based in Chennai. That is perfectly fine. But 90-95% of the opportunities in India is across these 5-6 cities. Okay. So be ready to move in case you have to go for a job. Then entry level salary. So what are the qualifications and how much salary that you can expect? If you have a bachelor's degree from tier 2, tier 3 college, which 90% of us belong to, your starting salary will be 4 lakh to 7 lakh rupees per annum, right? Starting salary, but the growth in finance industry in general is really fast. So you can expect a one in front of them maybe in 1 or 2 years, 3 years, right? It depends on your skill. Then we have bachelor's degree from tier 1 college. So tier 1 college like SRCCs and all the famous colleges, the dream colleges where we want to get in after 12th standard, you can expect 6 to 11 lakh rupees, right? So that's a very wide range, but this is what the data suggests. Then we have MBA from tier 2, tier 3 college. So you completed bachelor's degree from tier 2, tier 3 college and then you are doing MBA. I don't think any candidate who have done bachelor's from tier 1 college will be going for MBA from tier 2, tier 3 college. In this case, if in case you have done MBA from tier 2, tier 3 college, local colleges, less popular, then also you can expect salary of 6 to 10 lakh rupees approximately. So sir, you mean to say bachelor's from tier 1 college and MBA from tier 2, tier 3 college have same pay scale? Yes, approximately the same. Then MBA from top institutions. Investment banking as an industry is made for these people. Front end roles mostly go to these people, IIMs and top 5-7 colleges that you count on your fingers in the country. Package is 15 to 30 lakh rupees. Again, a very wide range, but MBA in finance done from top tier institution, you end up getting placed into maybe a middle market bank or maybe in the bulge bracket banks. So if it is a global giant, you might be receiving 27, 28, 25 lakhs. If it is an Indian giant, you will be receiving 15, 17 lakhs. Okay. Then we have someone who have done doctorate, very rare combination, who have done bachelor's from tier 1, tier 2. Irrespective of that, if in case you have done doctorate in finance, can still work in investment banking. Package will be more than 20 lakhs. At least there is very few data pointers on this, but this is what the data suggests. Then we have CFA level 1 cleared. You have done anything from above, MBA, bachelor's, tier 1, tier 2 college, some other qualification. If you have done CFA level 1, starting salary will be 5 lakh rupees. Sir, I have done MBA from tier 1 college and then I have done CFA level 1. Then it will be more or less like this. CFA level 1 will not add so much. But if you have done, let's say, bachelor degree from tier 2 college or tier 3 college, and then you have cleared CFA level 1, so you can expect to be on the higher side, maybe 6, 7, 8, 9 lakh rupees. That's why I've said, irrespective of whatever you have done, CFA L1 if you have cleared, you will receive 5 lakh rupees starting package at least. Okay, this is minimum. Then if in case you have cleared CFA level 2, our internal data suggests the base package offered to these candidates, irrespective of their background, is minimum 8 lakh rupees. Can it be 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18? Yes, very much possible. But it then depends. See, CFA L2 and L1 you have cleared. It is hardly matter of 1 year, right? 6 months for L1, 6 months for L2, 1.2, 1.3 years. You cannot overshadow your previous qualification in just 1.5 years. Over the period, yes, if you have cleared CFA level 3, these packages can go beyond 10, 12, 15 lakh rupees as well. But we are just discussing the starting packages, because many people come forward and say, at least in my experience, sir, I've done bachelor's or MBA from XYZ college, which I haven't heard about. It's not very popular, but I've cleared CFA L1 as well, CFA L2 as well. So this is the package, bare minimum package that you can expect. bare minimum. Okay. Now, preferred qualification. Can you get into investment banking after any qualification? Answer is yes. You can be from IT background, arts background, and still make like end up in investment bank. But the probability of you doing that in India at least is very low. You need to upskill yourself a lot. Without knowledge, they are not anyways going to accept you, right? So I'm saying the preferred qualification, the best that you can do is do MBA from tier 1 college, if in case you can afford to go there, and learn financial modeling and valuation. This is must. You have to learn financial modeling and valuations, or complete CFA. Now CFA curriculum L1 L2 have financial modeling inbuilt. So I think that's the proof that the industry demands financial modeling and valuations. Valuation anyways was there in CFA level 2 from long back, but financial modeling is introduced now, right? Practical skill module. So CFAI offers 15 hours of course. You need to devote at least 150 to 200 hours to learn financial modeling and valuations in detail, right? So this is the most preferred qualification. If you can't get into MBA, complete CFA. If you cannot complete CFA, maybe complete L1, then apply. CFA is like open to everyone. MBA, there are restrictions, right? Admissions, etc. is difficult. You need to crack CAT or other exams. Now, just a tip from my side. This is the ideal path you should be starting with. Okay, there's like a foot in the door strategy. This is what my experience suggests you should be doing, but you all are wise enough, you can take your own call. If you have done bachelor's degree from tier 2 tier 3 college, you cannot be targeting boutique, you cannot be targeting bulge bracket, right? They'll not even like screen your resume. So target a boutique investment bank or a KPO. Very easy. Complete your graduation, learn financial modeling and valuation from whichever institute you want, QuintEdge or any other, do your own research, and then apply over here. Then if in case you have done bachelor's from tier 1 college, no need to go to KPO, no need to go to boutique investment bank, directly go to middle market banks, right? If in case you have done MBA from tier 2, 3 college, again, boutique investment bank, KPO, here you might be joining as a junior analyst, here you will be joining as associate, senior associate after completing MBA, right? If in case you have done MBA from top tier institution, then these institutions and investment banks are made for each other. So you have to directly target bulge bracket investment bank. In fact, they will come in your college campus placements, right? Then if in case you have done doctorate, again, target bulge bracket investment banks. If in case you have done CFA level 1, you can target any of the 3 other than bulge bracket investment bank. If in case you have done CFA level 2, then also you can target any of 3 other than bulge bracket investment bank. So sir, CFA cannot get into bulge bracket investment bank. This is foot in the door. If in case you have done CFA L1, L2 and maybe you have done bachelor's from tier 1 college, at least give it a try to go into bulge bracket investment bank. Maybe start with Indian, then move to global, right? As of today, the condition is I support the Indian investment banks, but the condition is Indian investment banks pay much lower in comparison to global giants. So global giants, you might receive, let's say 25. Indian bank will pay 17, 18, 19. So that's the difference. Okay. And I have not counted bonuses over here, just as a disclaimer. Okay, so this is all I wanted to share about the investment banking jobs in India. If in case still you have any question or queries, feel free to reach us in the comment section below. And if you have watched this video till the end, I'll ask you to subscribe the channel and support us. So till next time, bye-bye.